Hey, what's up everyone? Hello, myself Chair and you are watching Indian Ostomy Boy. Yes guys, I'm a rectum cancer survivor with permanent colostomy. I have a colostomy bag from last 10 years and I am living a very happy life trying to guide people how they can manage their stoma bag and everything. So you can definitely subscribe this YouTube channel. You will get a lot of help how you can manage your stoma bag. So in this video, I will be showing you one of the best product which I have designed for an ostomy patient, and that is this support belt. Yes guys, this is the support belt which I have designed for people, especially in India. So that is why I have taken an initiative to sell such kind of a product for people who are with the ostomy bag. So these can be used as a support belt and they can be used to cover your stoma bag. So this is a bag people who normally keep their bag in a vertical form. Even the people who have a urostomy can also use this belt. So basically this is for the people who keep their bag in a vertical form. This will give them a strong grip, and yes, it will provide you a support and prevent you from getting hernia or any kind of difficulties. So this is the belt which I will show you. I will give you full demo of that. And yes, I also have the belt for the people who normally wear the bag like me, who is wearing the bag in a horizontal way. So guys, I will be showing you how you can use this belt for people who are putting their bag in a vertical form. Yes, so let's start the demo. So first of all, if the people who are using the vertical size bags, they can use this belt, and I will show you how you can use it. First of all, you can just open the zip which is there in downside and just put this bag inside the hole. Yes, and after that just put that bag fully inside the hole, and from the back side you can just connect that velcro, and you can see how my full bag has been covered with the help of this belt, stoma belt, and it's a very comfortable belt guys. Look how comfortable it looks. It had hidden my full belt, or it has hidden my full stoma bag. So looks very comfortable for the people who even have a urostomy. They can use such belts. Ileostomy people, colostomy people, whoever normally putting their belt. Guys, you can see how cool it looks. It looks very beautiful, and yeah, you can do all sort of work wearing this type of a belt. These are very breathable belt, and definitely you will like it. Yes, it gives you a very cool look. You can go for a walk, you can do dancing, you can do all sort of a work. You can go for a beach, and definitely all these products even look luxury product. Yes, look at the quality. The quality is very good. It's a premium quality of a product, and you can easily get it from me. Guys, I'm selling at a very affordable rate and anybody can buy that. I'm specially selling this product in India. If you stay in India, any part of India, I can deliver this product. What you just have to do is that give me a WhatsApp message on my number, and you can give all the details, especially the size and everything. So whenever you are measuring the size and if you want to order it, see to that you just give the inches from the top, like from here, like from this part of the body, not from the waist, not from here, because you will be wearing this belt on this part. So see to that you give me the inches of your stomach or your belly from this part. So yes, I have all size bag, and you can get this from me anytime. Okay, especially in India. Yes. Okay, so people who are normally keeping their bag in a horizontal way, definitely they can use such kind of a horizontal belt which I have too, and it is a very good quality of a bag, and yes, you can use it. See, this is your stoma bag is now protected, and you can wear shirt and you can wear anything. You can go for a walking, you can do exercise. Yes, and yes, it looks beautiful. You can go for a beach, you can swim on this, and you will get a very good grip. Yes.